Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oo, gawa tayo ng coffee natin. We're gonna have our coffee. So, yes, dyan ka lang muna. So, coffee is here. This will be my glass. Yes, saglit lang ha. I'm gonna move the video this side, okay? Yes, gawa tayo. What? Simba is here. Who is Simba? What are you doing? You want food? Simba? Simba toy? You want food? I'm gonna try to do live today. I need to get ready also because we're gonna go to the Danang. So good. Really, really good. Look at him. What do you want? This is the cat from the neighbor, but he loves to be here. And we love it. We don't know his name, but we call him Simba. So cute. So naputol yung camera, but yeah, anyway. We have crackers, plain crackers. This one is good with cheese. Again, thank you so much. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Yeah, thank you for all the love and support. Love you all. So okay, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee now and I'm gonna do live. I'm going to prepare and I will do live.